Hi, today I'm explaining about another concept in Animate CC, that is masking. So masking is very important in animation. Okay, so you can mask your unwanted areas, otherwise some areas you can mask or otherwise hide. Okay, in Photoshop and Illustrator, so we mask few areas. Okay, we hide few portions of the image. The same way in Animate CC also we can mask some portion of the animation. So here not image, so you can mask an image also, but as well as on animation also you can hide, mask few areas. Okay, so let us check how to do that. Okay, first I'm taking a new layer here. Okay, first change the background color, any dark color or whatever it may be. Okay, now you can give the text, suppose name it animation. This is my text animation. So here I'm giving text color something, suppose here I'm giving a white color and make it bit bigger. So press Q. So Q means here the transform tool. With shift you can reduce the size. Okay, yes. Next what we have to do, so this is like a busy, name it. You can create another layer here. Okay, so you can copy this, copy frames and come to the new layer, paste frames. Okay, and here you give the different color, suppose make it yellow. Okay, so that means what, the same text in two different layers, so one layer in white and one layer in yellow. Okay, here give the name text. Okay, so over on that create one more layer. Okay, take a circle and draw one circle. Okay, here can remove the outline. Here it is not required. So what to do, you can right click this and okay, and you can group it actually first before going to animation. So to do, modify and group, otherwise use Control G also. So now your object shape convert into a group. Then what you do, you can name here, suppose this is mask. This is mask shape. Okay, this mask here you can right click on that, insert a keyframe. So the both sides here and here the same frame on the same place, but here we want to create animation so that the both keyframes on separate areas must be in separate areas. So here what I'll do, you can move this to right side. Okay, right, that means what, one is at left and one is at right. So between these two keyframes, anywhere you right click and create classic twin. So automatically here it is asking what, the selected frame spans cannot be twinned, you must convert frame content to a symbol in order to twin. Do you want to convert and create a twin? Yes, it is asking to convert into symbol, so you can convert this into symbol. Yes, now if you see this, click here and it is crossing, so one place to another place. Your shape, mask shape, is crossing the text, but there is no masking. Okay, so for that what you do, select the mask layer, suppose here right click and apply the mask. Okay, now if you see this, the mask is happened over on that. So if you observe that, so make it control enter. Now you see this, the mask added. So on the text, the yellow portion is mask covered on the text animation. So this is highlighting like focus light on particular area. We are focusing on your required area with your mask shape. Suppose here what I'll do, if you want to edit anything, if you observe here, see when I give the mask effect, automatically these all layers are locked. Okay, when you apply the mask, automatically all the layers are locking. Okay, so if you want to edit anything, you have to unlock first. Give the unlocking, okay, and then you have to give the mask. Okay, suppose here if you want, you can give any effects like, or otherwise any colors if you want. Color is not it cannot affect on that mask. Suppose it is moving from one side to another side. So what I'm doing here, stop this graphic symbol, you can click to movie clip, so that here you can on the filters. Okay, so click here and add, suppose a drop shadow. So the drop shadow is added here, the angle is this much, and suppose this is the angle, and the distance you can give the distance here. Okay, suppose this value suppose 80, this is I am giving, and this is 30. Okay, the other side also I am giving. And this is Suppose this is 80 and this is 30. Okay, so between this is happening. Now you can apply here, suppose here mask, and let us check by control enter. See, it is covering on the text, but here because of this mask okay, the shade we applied, but it is not adding to that mask because it won't affect on that. So what to do? So you can select all the frames. Suppose here you can select this all the frames, right click and cut frames. Okay, you cut frames, and here insert a new symbol. So name it mask, save OK, and here at empty frame right click and paste frames. Okay, so your mask pasted. Suppose these are extra frames, you can remove this up to 50 only. Yes, now you are in symbolating mode. Okay, but here what to do? Come out from the symbolating mode by clicking this arrow mark. Okay, and already you cut this these layers. You can remove these, that means delete. More on that, fresh new layer you can create. At empty first frame select that, and from library you choose your mask. See, this is your mask, we gave this name. Okay, right, and what to do? Make the center here. Okay, now you can apply if you want any effects. Suppose a drop shadow, make it. Okay, and the distance of that. Okay, yes. And one more effect if you want to apply. Suppose bevel, the bevelness. Can I play the bevelness? Suppose the effect is not looking good, so you can keep this only this drop shadow. And now what to do? Make it control enter. Now see this, the effect is applied to the mask. So mask is moving on the text as well as mask also adding. Okay, so this is one type of mask. And another one I'm showing here. Create a new layer here. Okay, and here what I'm doing, I'm importing one picture. On picture also you can apply mask. Suppose from the reference images, suppose this I want, otherwise this two. I'll check with these two. Copy, paste here on the desktop, and with this animate CC, and from file you can import to library. Okay, you can find them from the desktop. So these are the two images. So open, already they are stored in a library. So this and this. Suppose here I'm using this. I think this is very small. Yeah, both are small images. Anyway, you can delete this for time being. You can make it bigger with the shift, make it big size. Sorry. Okay, so this is my area. Sorry. So name it picture pic. So over on that we create one layer. Here create one shape. Okay, you can right click this and convert to symbol. Okay, and now what to do? You can make it more a small size. More small size. Okay, and now this side, that opposite direction, right click and insert keyframe. So then you can extend this in a big size. So can be more big size. Cool. So this is smaller and this is bigger. Now between these two you can apply create classic twin. See, it is small to big size, it is animating. Now over on this layer, so here you can give the name mask. Here right click on that and give mask. Okay, so here I'm giving, suppose this black color. Now control enter. You observe this, so nicely the sunrise is revealing. So wonderfully this is happening, the sunrise, beautiful. Okay, so here I'm giving so I give the layer on top. The here unlock all this to edit this mask. Okay, here between these two keyframes, what I'm doing, I'm giving slow in. Suppose I'm giving slow in, the action at starting faster, at the end slower. So instead of that I'll give minus minus 100. So here the action will be slower. At starting point action will be slower. At the bigger area it is going to be a fast. So control enter. See this. The sunrise is happening. The mask can be any shape. The mask, suppose, yes, this mask can be any shape. Give any star or otherwise rectangle, square, oval shape or circle. It can be any shape. Okay. So sometimes in animation we use this mask. So hit Control S and Control Enter. Beautifully it is happening. Sunrise. Okay. So the same effect we can apply for the animations and pictures. Suppose this is on a static picture, one picture. This is one picture. On picture we are adding the animation. The same effect we apply in on particular animation also. Okay. In the animation time I'll explain all those things. Okay. The first one is on text you can apply mask, and the second is on beautiful images you can create mask animation. This is simple masking effect. You can try yourself. Okay. So if you have any doubt then ask me, I'll explain. Okay. So thank you.